Hello friends, welcome to Krishtys Creations. Today we are going to make this granny square. For this I am using two color yarn, 6 ply yarn actually I am taking, and with this I am using this 3 mm hook. Okay, let's start then. For this, first of all we are going to make a magic ring. Start with 3 chain, then 2 double crochet. After that we will make 2 chain, and 3 double crochet again. We have to repeat this and make 4 of these clusters of 3 double crochets. After this 2 chain, we will join this with the last chain of our first 3 chain with a slip stitch. Adjust your magic ring and cut the yarn. Our first inner square is ready now. Now we are going to use the second color. For joining this, we will do a slip knot first. Join this with a slip stitch in any one of those corners. Now we will do again chain 3 and then 2 double crochet. Now chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. One chain, and then we will do the same thing in every corner. Do the same thing in other 3 corners also. 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. 3 corners are done. For 4th corner we will repeat it. After the last chain 1, we will join the yarn with the last chain of our first 3 chain with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. So this is our basic granny square. Secure the yarn behind, and with this granny square we can do a lot of things. I will share those ideas in my next videos. Thank you.